In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your work for beginners using Microsoft Planner in Office 365. Microsoft Planner is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and improving team collaboration, seamlessly integrated within the Office 365 suite. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Microsoft 365 account, which acts as your gateway to all the Office 365 applications. Once you're in, look for the Planner app and click on it. This will open the Planner interface where you can start organizing your tasks. Begin by creating a new plan. Think of this plan as a central hub for your project or workflow. Give it a clear name that succinctly describes its purpose. If your organization already has Microsoft 365 groups or teams, you have the option to link this new plan to an existing group, enhancing team visibility and cooperation. As you dive deeper into your file, you'll find templates available, which can serve as a useful starting point. Alternatively, you can design a plan from scratch to better suit your specific needs. To keep everything organized, use the buckets feature to divide your plan into logical categories or phases. These buckets could represent different project stages or types of work. Within each bucket, add tasks, ensuring you include essential details like the task name, due date, and the team members responsible for completing it. Accountability is key in planning. Assign specific tasks to different team members to ensure everyone knows their responsibilities and can manage their workload effectively. Don't forget to set start and due dates for each task, which helps in keeping track of timelines and meeting deadlines efficiently. Monitoring task status is simplified through Planner's interface. You can easily update a task's progress by marking it as not started, in progress, or completed. For an overview of how things are moving along, visualize your plan's progress using built-in charts, which provide a quick snapshot of the status of your buckets and overall plan. For enhanced collaboration, attach relevant documents or files to specific tasks, ensuring that all necessary resources are just a click away. You can also use labels to categorize tasks based on priority or any other criteria you find helpful, making sorting and filtering tasks a breeze. Make use of filters to view tasks based on due dates, the assigned member, or other parameters, grouping them into different perspectives for better clarity. The calendar view is particularly helpful for grasping deadlines and scheduling at a glance. The Planner Hub is where you'll see an overview of all your plans and tasks, a useful dashboard to assess workload and focus areas. For better coordination, consider adding your planner schedules to your Outlook calendar, making it easier to manage your time and appointments. Lastly, Planner's design focuses on team collaboration. Use it to stay connected with your team, share updates, and track progress collectively. With the built-in chat feature, discussing tasks and progress within the plan context has never been more straightforward. This fosters collaboration, ensuring you and your team are always on the same page. By integrating these practices, you can significantly optimize your workflow with Microsoft Planner in Office 365. Happy planning!